Hello dear SSC, hello dear students, welcome back to my another class. I am Mohammad Ibrahim Hussain. In connection with my previous class, today I am going to show you the uses of as soon as. Anyhow, in my previous class, I discussed on the uses of since and also on the uses of as though, as if. On that class, I showed you the connection between the two terms and also their similarities and dissimilarities. Today, I am going to show you the uses of as soon as. Anyhow, let's have a look on the board. As soon as. As soon as also used as a conjunction. Rather, it's a compound conjunction. You know, conjunction is a word which connect words, phrases and clauses together. And what is compound conjunction? Whenever a group of words, I mean a phrase works as a conjunction, it's called compound conjunction. You see, as, soon as, three words together work as a phrase and it's a conjunction. So it's a compound conjunction. Now the question arises, when do we usually use as soon as? We use as soon as when something happens immediately after some other event. That means just after the finishing of one event or one incident, whenever another event takes place, immediately the first action. Immediately after the first action, we usually use as soon as. You see, at the same time, I have written some other phrases or conjunction under the group B. If you take it under the group A, as soon as, under the group B, I have written some other phrases also. They are conjunctions, but they are correlative conjunction. You know, correlative conjunction usually comes in pair. No sooner had, hardly had, or either or, neither nor, not only dot dot but also, etc. Anyhow, between these two groups, can you find out any similarity or dissimilarity? Okay, without wasting time, I am going to help you more by explaining it. You see, both as soon as or any of the phrases of group B are usually used in complex sentence. You see, as soon as, whenever you will make any sentence with this term as soon as, it will be a complex sentence. On the other hand, no sooner had or etc., whenever you will make any sentence with this phrase, those sentences will also be a complex sentence. So it's the only similarity. According to my view, there is one similarity. Both these phrases are used in complex sentence. Now, what are the difference between this group, between A and B? I can find out two differences between group A and between group B. You see, no sooner dot dot then. Can you see the spelling of this then? Then is a conjunction. It's not then, T-H-E-N. Then is a conjunction. On the other hand, then is an adverb. After that period, that means then. But this then, T-H-A-N, is usually used to make any comparison. Anyhow, no sooner dot dot then, hardly had dot dot before or when, both are correct. Scarcely had dot dot when, barely had dot dot when. Correlative conjunction is usually used in a sentence grammatically balanced and of equal length clauses. Anyhow, I am going to mention the dissimilarity between these two group of terms. You see, whenever any sentence usually gets started with as soon as, and if you are asked to make it negative, only then. That means in case of transform any sentence that has been started with as soon as, you will have to take the help of any of these phrase. Usually it is saying that the transformation of any sentence that has been started with as soon as, our student usually make no sooner had ... then. But if any student make or take the help of this phrase also, that will be also correct. This is the dissimilarity. What is the dissimilarity? It's usually used as soon as is usually used as an affirmative statement. Affirmative statement. On the other hand, you see no, hardly, scarcely, barely. These words themselves are negative. So, whenever as soon as indicates an affirmative statement, these phrases usually indicate negative sentence. It's the first difference. Then the second difference is the matter of uses of tense. Traditionally, after as soon as in our country, as it is seen, we used past indefinite plus past indefinite. That means after as soon as, whenever you will use two clauses, that will be of past indefinite, simple past tense. So it's the second difference. On the other hand, as it is seen in our country, whenever you will use these phrases in the first portion, you will have to use had plus than. So in the first portion or in the subordinate clause, in that clauses will be past perfect. On the other hand, in the second portion, that means after then, before when, you will have to use past indefinite. That's the two differences. Anyhow, I am going to make it more easy by showing you some examples regarding tenses in case of as soon as. You see, I have already written down 3 sentences. Though you can use several tenses after as soon as it is seen in American English or British English or even in Indian English, but you will have to keep in your mind that the question setter and the examiner of your exam paper, whether it is in academic examination or in board exam, will be of Bangladeshi. So they will evaluate or examine your answer script from the perspective of Bangladeshi tradition or Bangladeshi rule. So for learning, you may learn the different variation, whether it is Indian, whether it is American or British. But whenever you will write down any answer in your exam paper, in your answer sheet, you will have to use the most common, most accepted answer. Anyhow, look at the variation of the tenses regarding as soon as. I have written, as soon as his father comes home, he becomes gentle. This boy is like you, too much wicked. He is not afraid of his mom. But whenever his father comes, he becomes gentle. He may pretend it. Anyhow, you see, I have written V1, that means simple present tense, and after the comma I have used V1 also, that is simple present tense. So as soon as has connected 2 clauses of simple present tense. Now come to the second sentence. This sentence, this tradition of tense is very common, very usual in our country. Whenever we ourselves or student, we are taught in the school level or college level that after as soon as we have to use past indefinite plus past indefinite. It's very usual, very common, very traditional. As soon as we reached, you see I have used V2 past form. As soon as we reached the station, the train departed. That means left the station. Past indefinite plus past indefinite. Now come to the third sentence. As soon as I finish the work, I will make you a phone call. I have not yet finished my work, but whenever I will finish it, you see, in spite of not having any will, this clause usually indicate future. And according to the grammatical rule, after as soon as or this type of conjunction, you can use to future indefinite. So, though I have not used any will or shall, any modal auxiliary after this subject, yet it indicates future tense, future tense, because I have not reached my home yet, or yet I have not finished my work yet. But whenever I will finish it, it's a matter of future. I will make a phone call. So, in these three sentences, you can see the uses of different tense in the same at the same time. But as I have told you, the structure 2 or at the example 2, second example is usually usual, traditional, commonly accepted in our country according to the tradition or as the rule is usually used in our country. Anyhow, I am going to show you the connection between the two sentences, two terms regarding transformation. So, have a look on the board once again. Look of the examples that have been written in the board. Suppose in your English second part, this sentence has been used in question number 6. However, you will be asked to transform 5 sentences. If you take it this way, suppose under the question 6, it has been used one of the transformation where you have been asked to make it negative. Then what will be the answer? To show you the connection, I have written one sentence. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. You know, it's the most familiar, most common, most talked, most known sentences whenever we make the use of as soon as. So it's very known to you. You see, you have been asked to make it negative. Then what will be the variation of the answer? You see, no sooner had. You have been asked to make it negative. This statement has been started with no. That means it is already negative. No sooner had. You have to look at the swap or the interchange of auxiliary verb before the subject. You will have to keep it in your mind. No sooner had. In the sentence I have written V2, but in this sentence seen, because had is a to have verb. You know, after to have verb, you will if you want to use any type of verb, that verb must be in V3 form. That means past participle. So after had, seen, not saw. No sooner had the thief seen the police, you see, instead of comma, we have used than as a correlative conjunction. No sooner had the thief seen the police than he ran away. You see, there is no change in the principal clause. So the second portion will remain as it was. So whenever any student will be asked to make it negative, the common answer from the student side is no sooner had. But this answer will be correct. But what is the variation whenever you are going to use hardly had, scarcely had or barely had? Almost all the rules regarding these phrases are similar, but the correlative conjunction will be somewhat different. See, hardly had, to save the time I have not written the full sentence. Hardly had, that means hardly had the thief seen the police. Instead of then, you will have to use here before or when, and after them you will have to use the same sentence. So hardly had, you may use before or when, both are correct. Scarcely had, you will have to use when, and barely had, almost all things are similar. In that case, you will have to use when. So you see, I have discussed as soon as and their connection with these phrases. That's the common rule usually seen in our country. Anyhow, in my next class, I will try to discuss similar type of topics once again. Till then, stay fine. May Allah help you. And you know that one of our greatest festival for the Muslims is waiting. Enjoy this holiday. Enjoy this one of the greatest festival of Muslims Ummah and stay fine. Before meeting you with another class, stay fine. Assalamu alaikum.